Hello everybody, this is Johnny. Welcome to Spooky's House of Jump Scares. I've recently played this. I'm already, at a good amount of levels. I got this on Steam for free. It's free to play. You can do whatever crap you want. I don't have it loud because it's just terrifying. Okay, I'm at room 600. I need to freaking move this somewhere. I'm using my phone because my computer recording crap sucks. Okay. I'll move it back. Okay, you can't see that well, but I read this. States made hallucination. Something about some crap being murderous or manifesting. I love the axe. It's amazing. Found out you can kill deer with it, but I didn't get the chance. It gives you a freaky jump scare thing. And why is my mouse moving everywhere? Okay, the high definition of this game. I love it. Holy shit. What the fuck? Oh no, it's you! You freaking retard! You think you need to do that to me? Okay, I understand. You don't want to get messed with. I understand. Okay, this guy just popped out of nowhere. Jesus Christ. Please don't hurt me. You little freaking tard! Ah! He's inside the walls! He's inside the walls! I see him! Look at his nut. I hate it. I hate it. I'm loading this. I freaking hate this. It terrifies the living crap out of me. I understand that I am dead. Done. I understand that this game's... I understand. Thanks. Now let's get murdered. And why is this black? Oh, wait, no. Turn up, boom, 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 boom. Hi. This is when the jerk comes in and murders you. And then he's being a big freaking creep, sneaking up on you. Ah! Dear God, I hate you, bro. I'll freaking kill you one of these days. You lay down there and die. But then he'll come back. I already know, because I've dealt with him before. He's a big freaking jerk. Yeah, I see you. Now where is he? Yeah, he is. Oh crap, he disappeared. That is not good at all. That means he's in the wall. Ah! Please don't hurt me! You freaking terrify me. I hate you. I'm just gonna go through the door. If that cannibalistic lady comes here, oh, get away. Exactly, bro. You can't. I swear, this game is terrifying. It's adorable, but terrifying. I'm gonna go fast and then turn. And then whack! Whack. Dead. I swear, if he gets up and comes back. Oh! What the f. You dumb cup ice cream thing. I was gonna say cupcake because it looked like a cupcake. I don't want to mess with anyone, bro. Excuse me? Okay. This old place is somehow even worse. Okay, I was reading that. Somehow worse than the new GL Labs. Although it seems to have been constructed with a much larger budget than the new lab. Nothing works quite right. I can see why it was abandoned so quickly. I wonder if there really is anything here worth salvaging. I don't know. Whack. What the heck is wrong? Something's wrong with the ball. There you go. GL Labs. Oh no. I've read about things that come out of here. If I can like go through, that would be great. I'm glad they shut behind you. What I mean. Okay, my game crashed. Well, thanks. I was at 6:13 and you decided to crash on me. Well, that's exactly what I wanted. This is my mouse. I love it. It's beautiful. It's a gamer's mouse. Loading, 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 loading. Okay. For some reason, it was like... Don't care. Yay. Eh. No. Don't worry. I'll be fine, I think. Or that's what they all say. You'll be fine until he gets stabbed in the back! A freaking dumb guy. And speak of the devil. Oh no, wait, never mind. Yeah. Yeah. No. Small skull-shaped mass of clay that seemed to gain more form as second subjects were taken. Species of deemed hard to contain and was killed. And yeah, that thing in the GL Labs. Specimen 10. Oh, that's that huge worm thing. What's specimen 11? Floating with figure that's found inside the secret. Large pendant. I don't understand. 10. Oh dear infections. A form of changing creature that is believed to be extraterrestrial, thought it was not officially proven. Proved very effective on most subjects, but deemed too difficult to contain. The specimen broke out of its containment area due to frequent electrical malfunctions. Well, that's like the best thing ever that I've come up with. I faced that thing. This I also did. That's like the most terrifying. Join us! Why are you running, child? I'm like... I see that. There's something down here. Oh my god. I want to leave that door open so bad. So is Mr. Puppet gonna come after me? Or is it gonna be the cannibalistic lady eating children? Okay, that music's creeping me out.
I was a chubby lady hiding in the bushes.
Don't mind that. That's my ringtone. It's my notification thing. This is where my game crashed. Yep, it's happening. Just get through it as fast as you can. Okay, if my game would like stop lagging. Jail Labs and my game is like... Every time I start playing, there's a freaking invisible wall. And my game crashed again. Okay, well, I'm never gonna be able to pass the rest of this game, because my crap is messed up. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.